Hi there, thanks for joining us today. We're going to do an unboxing. You know I'm from England and Lisa's been there lots of times, and we like to have some English things for Christmas. So 2 or 3 months ago I ordered a package from the British Food Company. I may not be remembering the name correctly, but hopefully we'll find out when I open this. So it's been so long since I ordered it, I'm not even sure what's in it, except that I'm pretty sure I bought an advent calendar for Lisa. Alright, so thanks for opening this with me. Oh, let's pull out all this packing nicely packed. I'm telling you who this is from. They don't have a name in there. Telling you who it's from, but it's not sponsored or anything, so this is just me showing you what I got. Yeah, British food something or other. So for me, I got 2 little Christmas puddings. So this should be 2 servings each, I think. I enjoy Christmas pudding. Lisa's not a huge fan, so I just get little ones. And this is my Christmas treat. But for Lisa, I seem to have gotten 2 golden syrup steamed puddings. Now those are fun. I do like those, but you should be able to eat those while I eat these. I am kind of hoping that they've gotten it all right, because honestly, I really don't remember what I ordered, and I don't remember ordering those. So I got for Lisa also some custard. So she'll enjoy the custard on her golden syrup steamed pudding. Yes, I got some dark chocolate marzipan. All right. We really like marzipan, and it is kind of hard to get hold of in this country. So another treat for me, some fruit mince pies. Why are they called fruit mince pies?
As opposed to beef mince.
Yeah, no beef.
They're clarifying.
Yeah, originally I guess in mince they were beef mince, and these are fruit mince.
In medieval times.
Yes, in medieval times. And even now in England you buy mince and it's like ground beef, but this is not, this is fruit. It's got apple puree, sultanas, raisins, apricot filling. That's another treat for me because Lisa's not a huge fan of those either. So this is for both of us because I thought Lisa would enjoy this. It's a selection of Jacob's crackers. We really like the cream crackers, but there are the water ones also.
Does it say on the back what they all are?
So there are cream crackers, choice grain, Cornish wafers, cheddars, digestives, salt and cracked black pepper bakes, and high fiber cream crackers. Oh, that's good for me. I really enjoy crackers, but crackers and fiber don't generally go together. So happy for that. We'll look forward to that one. Oh, and I got us some Christmas crackers. I totally forgot about this. Okay, and then there's another package here. Yeah, British Food Shop, I think that's what it's called.
Goodwoods. That's the name of the company. British Food Store. Is that not where you got it from? This
No.
one?
That's typically, that comes to your email and I don't get that.
Oh.
I got this instead.
Oh, okay.
Okay, perhaps I should have read the list of what was in here first. Okay, so I got a classic Christmas pudding. Why did I buy two different kinds? I have no idea. Somewhere I may have to dig out my old order form and make sure I got the right thing. But I do see that Lisa's advent calendar is in here, so that's good. And that was what I was most concerned about. So I got some jam and cream and crunch cream cookies from Fox's. I love Fox's cookies. These are my favorite, the chocolate crunch. I don't know why they don't make those here, but I really like it. But oh look, they've got some Christmas jam and cream ones with stars and trees on.
These are my favorite.
And here's Lisa's advent calendar.
Yay!
And there are 25 of them.
Yes.
So we'll go all the way through Christmas Day.
That's perfect. Yay. Thanks,
So
Mommy.
that's it. Box is empty. And we are all set for a good Christmas. Thank you so much for joining us. We appreciate you. We'll see you next time. Bye.